Okay, this is my, I never named it yet, but I would call it a magical nut machine. What it does is this. I know it looks like they're probably glued together, but it's not. There's some kind of magical force that's holding these together. I'm not smart enough with these phones to figure out how to edit anything, but you can see, I will show you, they are not glued or welded. But boy, is that ever strong, it's crazy. See that? So this thing I built, I mostly made it really complicated so that I could teach the kids and whoever a little bit about converting AC current to DC current. I used a transformer out of an old battery charger, and I wired it so I'm getting as many amps as humanly possible. So what happens is I'm going through this relay. Actually, this is really cool. Some old military surplus thing I found in Dad's junk. I think it's out of a fighter jet. You can select the rockets. But what you do is plug it in. It buzzes away like an old welder. So it's safe right now. Then you flick it on so it's armed. And then when you hit this button, it kicks this relay, which turns on this little solenoid, which puts power to this big starter solenoid, which moves this. And someday I might actually put some kind of a linkage here so that when this goes down, I'll push this down. But for now, we want as many amps. The voltage don't matter, but I have it at about 18 volts. We want as many amps flowing through here, through that little screw, through these 6 nuts as possible, without blowing ourselves up. So you put this over top and touch the sides as best you can. Like that. It's hard to do it with one hand. And then you hold this down so it connects. And then you hit the launch button. And I'm trying to do this. Okay, watch. Now, it's a lot of amps. See what happened? It locked them together. Now you can do this with, I shouldn't even say this because somebody will watch it and try it. You can run a wire through here and dead short a battery. Just spark a wire in between through here, and they'll lock together. But what's weird is it's like it's a magnetic force holding them together, but it's not magnetic. Like if you take something steel like this big washer, it's not magnetic at all. See? And they'll stay like that until some kid walks up and says, "What's that?" and grabs it, and then goes, and they turn into regular nuts. But I made this machine just because it's safer than doing the battery thing, and it's just really cool. And I'm always, I don't believe in 0-point energy, but I believe in free energy. I've been reading a lot about Tesla and Eric Dollard and those guys. And electricity is actually kind of magical. If you explain to someone how a coil works and a spark plug, it seems like magic. Okay, that something was, the solenoid was stuck. But anyways, yeah, that's what happens. So now that I've got it really hot, I should unplug it because it's not designed for continuous use because it's dead shorting amperage. But I think that is absolutely amazing. And I'm glad I built this little machine. But I'm going to put this on YouTube because I don't have any friends. So maybe somebody will watch it and think it's really cool. And they might make something like this, but prettier. I can weld so good, I can do it with my eyes closed.